Oh, shit.
Oh,
So there's a Cat 4 hurricane coming our way.
that means
and
it's the amount of 4 cats.
You know what that means? Surf's up, my dude! Ugh. Whoa.
Put on your seatbelt.
Truck is packed. We ready to go. We got Christian in the building at Young Chung. Follow him on Instagram. Doesn't post anything. What up? We got Zachary on the beats.
DJ Blows. Bippity boppity gibbity soppity.
Getting wet with sound.
Getting wet with sound.
When you intentionally leave your license so you don't have to drive. JK, I didn't do that. I can't put my wallet.
Tom, I don't think.
Extremely dangerous winds and flooding possible. Leave area if threatened. Because of the storm, we're expecting some storm swell. And so this is gonna be some fun. We brought some shortboards out, ready to shred.
It's getting.
You already know.
Is it getting crazy over there?
Do you shred, Christian?
Yeah.
I shred with my body.
You should have taken my catch.
Hey, look, my friend is right over there. We're gonna say hi to him. Let's go, JJ! Kind of getting tired of this drive. Why don't we just go there right now, Christian? Why don't we just go there right now? One,
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Love that Nar sauce. Get on the Nar.
Mr. President, if you wanna give hope a world, bring our troops home safe and sound, says this little girl. And then you have to do the vocals.